Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the top 10 stock picks by Standard Chartered to check ahead of the elections. So the Q4 results are coming out, and one set of elections is completed and many are lined up in the coming weeks. So Standard Chartered bets on these stocks that these stocks will perform very good ahead of the elections and after that. So we'll get in and see which are those 10 stocks and a quick review of it. So let's get started. So the stock price is as of 12th April 2019. First one in the list is Maruti Suzuki India. Its current share price is 7,324. The 52-week low is 6,317, whereas the high is 9,929. The industry PE is 24, whereas the company PE is 28. The PB is 5. The ROCE is 23 and the debt to equity is 0, which means there is no debt with this company. The TTM EPS is 251. Here it is foreign promoters, which is 56%. Mutual fund investment is 11,589 crores. And returns for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 22%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive. For which for 3 years it is given us a return of 27%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 29%. Next one in the list is Mahindra Mahindra. Its current share price is 677 rupees. The 52-week low is 615, whereas the high is 993. The industry PE is 24, whereas the company PE is 16. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 13 and the debt to equity is 1.52. The TTM EPS is 60. Promoter holding is 21%. 7,947 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 14%. 3 and 5 years are positive but not that good returns. For 3 years it is given us a return only of 2%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 6%. Next one on the list is ITC. Its current share price is 3,014 rupees. The 52-week low is 259, whereas the high is 322. The industry PE is 32, whereas the company PE is 31. The PB is 7. The ROCE is 34 and the debt to equity is 0. The TTM EPS is 9. There is no promoter holding. 29,567 crores has been invested in this stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns for 1 year it is given us a return of 11%, for 3 years 10%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 5%, though all the returns are in positive but not that good returns. Next one in the list is Cipla. Its current share price is 554 rupees. The 52-week low is 483, whereas the high is 678. The industry PE is 29, whereas the company PE is 33. The PB is 3. The ROCE is 9 and the debt to equity is 0.29. The TTM EPS is 16. The promoter holding is 36%. 4,608 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. Returns for 1 year it is minus 2%. 3 and 5 are positive returns but not that good returns. For 3 years it is given us only a return of 2%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 6%. Next one on the list is HDFC Bank. Its current share price is 2,267 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,860, whereas the high is 2,332. The industry PE is 37, whereas the company PE is 30. The PB is 5. The ROCE is 7 and the debt to equity is 8.58. The TTM EPS is 75. The promoter holding is 26%. 61,331 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is given as a return of 17%, for 3 years 28%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 25%. Next one in the list is ICICI Bank. Its current share price is 395 rupees. The 52-week low is 256, whereas the high is 409. The industry PE is 37, whereas the company PE is 41. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 5 and the debt to equity is 7.58. The TTM EPS is 9. There is no promoter holding. 47,712 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is given as a return of 37%, for 3 years 24%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 11%. Next one in the list is Larsen Toubro. Its current share price is 1,360 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,182, whereas the high is 1,459. The industry PE is 32, whereas the company PE is 22. The PB is 3. The ROCE is 13 and the debt to equity is 1.94. The EPS is 61. There is no promoter holding. Mutual fund investment is 28,942 crores, and returns for 1 year it is very bad, which is just 1%. For 3 years it is given us a return of 19%, and for 5 years it has gone down again to 9%. Next one in the list is Reliance Industries. The current share price is 1,343 rupees. The 52-week low is 906, whereas the high is 1,406. The industry PE is 15, whereas the company PE is 22. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 11 and the debt to equity is 0.82. The TTM EPS is 60. The promoter holding is 47%. Mutual fund investment is 34,971 crores, and returns for 1 year it is given as a return of 44%, for 3 years 37%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 23%. Next one in the list is Infosys. Its current share price is 747 rupees. The 52-week low is 551, whereas the high is 773. The industry PE is 24, whereas the company PE is 21. The PB is 5. The ROCE is 29 and the debt to equity is 0, which means there is no debt worth this company. And the TTM EPS is 34. Here the promoter holding is 12%. Mutual fund investment is 42,885 crores, and returns for 1 year it is given as a return of 32%, for 3 years 7%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 12%. Next one and the last one in the list is Tata Consultancy Services. Its current share price is 2,013 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,472, whereas the high is 2,275. The industry PE is 24, whereas the company PE is also 24. The PB is 8. The ROCE is 39 and the debt to equity is 0, which means there is no debt with this company. The TTM EPS is 80. The promoter holding is 72%. Mutual fund investment is 18,814 crores, and returns for 1 year it is given as a return of 34%, for 3 years 17%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 13%. So these are the 10 stocks which Standard Chartered bets on, and they feel that these stocks will give us very good returns in the near future, ahead of the elections and after the elections. So if at all you all want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation from our side. Do your research, check for the Debt to equity, check for the return on capital employed. Mainly check for the promoter holding, the company's P by comparing it with the same sector stock. If everything is good, then you all can invest. So as I always say, mutual fund investment or stock investment should always be for a very long time. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.